So, if you know what a Rubik's Cube is,
good for you.
Yeah, because we're doing a challenge on it. If you don't, then it's this thing that was made by this guy called Rubik.
Yeah, his name's dumb. I just got to stare down in my life.
Okay, so we're gonna do a challenge. We're gonna mix these cubes up and see who could solve the other one faster. You have totally different cubes, but this one's kind of the same as the one Lincoln's mixing up for me.
I'm bad at every cube except that one.
Okay, so let's get this started.
Okay, I think you mixed it up. All I gotta do is do a few turns. Do you know how to mix that up? Oh god. No. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, Logan, you're good. It's okay. Okay.
There we go. Okay, let's go.
I know how to do this one now.
I didn't know that!
You always mix it up like that.
You literally got the easiest one. That's so unfair. You got the easiest one. No. You can't be laughing at me because you got the easiest one and did it first. Because that was very expected.
Well, I'm bad at Rubik's Cubes.
Well, if you want to get better, then you're going to have to do harder ones. That's how life works.
No, I think I mixed this one up. Where's my phone? Hand me my phone.
I'm trying to solve the cube that you literally... Oh, this one's easy.
I'm gonna fix this.
This is why I should give you the harder cube.
You can work on another cube if you want.
Solve it. I literally solved it on accident and I wasn't even looking. That's how good I am at this cube. JK, I probably didn't even solve it.
Totally didn't hit your pop. I smacked it.
Okay.
What's a power cube? That I can actually do.
I believe that's kind of impossible to find.
Unless you get the 1x1 cube.
I literally It's literally not even a cube at that point. It's literally not even a Rubik's Cube at that point, so... The world record is 1 second.
Oh, I could beat that. I could just go.
Someone already did.
Oh, I could just go. I could just go.
Someone already probably beat that record.
No, I'm gonna put it so close to the thing. I'm just gonna go boop boop.
I don't think you could do that.
Boop boop. I'm just gonna go boop boop. Just. Oh, you want to try to solve this one? I'm gonna mix this one up for myself. I'm pretty much terrible.
Oh.
I know what I struggle with half of the time.
You actually made this hard a little.
If any of you are watching this and you saw a fishy video, fishy is okay.
And he's not from Ohio.
Yeah. I don't live in Ohio. You want help?
No, fine.
You had it, I think.
I don't care.
Give me it! Give me the cube!
No! No, I want to solve it!
No, you're too slow.
I don't want to be a speed cuber.
Oh shoot. What did you do?
I tried solving it. I feel like we're just not solving any cubes at this point. I feel like we're just
Got it.
Okay.
You should probably end the video.
Okay, that's it for this video.
Chicka chicka boom boom.
What? That's it for this video, so bye.
So chicka chicka boom boom.
No, no, we have to, you have to, bye.